Mga ate at mga kuya, nandito tayo sa kabilang bahay ngayon. We need to do some maintenance. Yes, maintenance. And I will tell you exactly kung magkano. Gasta na naman tayo but it's okay. Let's go! So guys, ito yung bahay sa kabila. Yung tirahan ng panganay namin. Alam nyo naman, pag iniwanan nyo yung mga bata para maglaro, napapabayaan yung mga bagay-bagay. So napansin ko, oh my god, yung garden namin sa harapan, as in naging gubat siya bigla. Ayun no, I don't know if you can see that. I'll show you pictures in a little bit. Inutusan na kasi ako ni Mrs. kahapon na kumuha ng pagkain dun sa freezer namin dahil meron kaming malaking freezer dun sa looban ng garahe, di ba? And napansin ko, ba't ganun? Parang gubat. As in, gubat na gubat siya. So naisip ko, lika, pagandahin ulit natin dahil, you know, I haven't been here in like a month to be honest because I got busy, right? So, nagtanong-tanong ako, sabi ko, magkano nga ba yung palinis nito? So I went on Facebook Marketplace. And doon nakakita ko ng kung ano-anong presyo, di ba? So meron akong kaibigan, I hire him to maintain the lawn and cut the grass here, tapos cut the grass doon sa bahay namin. Pero nakabakasyon siya eh. And kailangan magawa na tong eyesore na to dahil meron akong isang kapitbahay. Kita niyo yung bahay na yun? You know, the house beside, kita mo yung itim na kotse? Yun yung, anong kulay ba yun? Parang pink, red brick, yun? Yung nakatira doon, it's the neighborhood lola. And tanghali, nilalakad niya yung aso niya. And she criticizes all of the houses here in the neighborhood. Nakita niya ako, sabi sa akin, Mark, why is it that ever since you guys moved out, your house never looked the same anymore? I miss you. I miss you and your wife because when you guys were living there, before you rented it out, you had the best kept, well kept, clean, tidy, manicured property that I've ever seen. Yun ang hirap eh. Pag nagpaparenta ka kasi, you know, kung sino man yung rumerenta, jackpot na kung alagaan nila yung katulad ng inaalagaan mo. But, you know, it's a given na hindi nila maalagaan yun. And it's not gonna be kept the same way as I kept it, diba? So, ayun ngayon, meron akong hinire na dalawang bata. 18 years old and 19 years old sila. You know, they're working on the front lawn right now. And nakita ko sila sa Facebook Marketplace. Dahil tumawag-tawag ako, sabi nila, I called about 5 or 6 companies, right? Lahat nag-a-advertise sa Facebook Marketplace. Sabi nila, oh, isang quote was $475. Mahal. Isang quote was $350. The lowest quote was like $250. And then meron ako napansin mga advertisements ng mga bata. Sinasabi nila, hey, I'm looking for work ngayong summer na to. You know, try me. You know, I'll cut your grass, I'll maintain your lawn, I'll clean up your backyard for X amount of dollars, right? And binabasa ko yung mga comment and nakita ko to. Sabi, oh, I recommend Josh, that's his name. I sent him 12 pictures. Sabi ko, ganito gusto kong mangyari, ganito gusto kong gawin. You know, if you do a good job for me, I have more work for you, lalo na pagdating ng fall, for fall cleanup, right? Ayun. So sabi niya, we agreed on a price, and dinala niya yung girlfriend niya. Ayun, silang dalawa ng girlfriend niya. Nice kid, he's 18 years old. You know, sila ng girlfriend niya, and we're doing a cash job. And sabi ko, linisin niya yung harapan ng garden, bunutin niya lahat ng weed, tanggalin niya lahat ng overgrowth, you know, lahat ng mga kung ano-anong tumubo dyan, tanggalin niya. Pinakita ko sa kanya picture of what it used to look like nung nakatira kami dyan. And I told him, if you can make it look like that, I have more work for you. We can have a very good long relationship. Diba? So ito, naghihintay muna ako and I'll show you the before and after pics, okay? It was never there.
Really?
The problem is, you know, my son, he's allergic to like greenery.
Yeah.
That's why I could never just scream at him and say, hey, you know, clean it up, right?
He's got the perfect excuse.
I know. Oh, thank God. I don't know how many years that tree has been growing there, but it was never there before.
Probably like at least 5 or 6.
Oh, jeez. There you go. That's gonna be clean in a little bit. Yeah, this stuff, get rid of this. Ay.
This metal post, is this in the ground for a reason? Can I come on?
No, I had a solar light attached to that.
You want me to
It's
take
not.
that out too?
Take it out, yeah.
Okay.
If you can. Nice. I never realized how big that tree was now.
It is pretty big. I didn't realize it too much.
It started out as a weed.
Yeah.
There you go. So ayan silang dalawa. Oh, gumaganda na ng konti. So you know. See? And then sabi nila, gugupitin nila tong damo. And i-edge nila ito. Katulad ng ginagawa ko nung dito kami nakatira. So lilinis siya ulit. Oh my God. So it's slowly turning very, very nice. That's good. And then this thing is nice and clear now. That's beautiful. Okay. Let's go. So yun guys, pumasok ulit tayo sa loob ng kotse dahil maaraw. Dahil ayoko ma-sunburn. But yung dalawang bata masipag. Yung kasama niya yung girlfriend niya. So yung lalaki, his name is Josh. He's 18 years old. Yung girlfriend niya, her name's Sabrina. She's 19 years old. Yung batang to, bahay pala namin. Oh, hindi naman kapitbahay. He said he lives on Samparica, which is like a 5-minute walk from our house. And as you can see, you know, medyo gumaganda na ng konti. Sabi niya mga 1 oras pa. And everything should be beautiful again. Which is how it should be. Alam niyo dati, I'm not gonna lie. I took such great care of this house. Dahil lahat ng naging bahay namin, personal ko eh. Okay? I always put my touch to it. Dati, every single blade ng damo was manicured. As in, every single blade, every single bush was nice and rounded. Wala kang makikitang dumi or kalat or anything like that. Kung tutuusin, nakaparada ako ngayon sa eskwelahan right across the street, right? So pag tanghali, pag wala ng araw kami ni Mrs. dati, maglalakad kami dito, right across from the house, right? And we'll just stare at her and admire yung trabahong ginawa ko para pagandahin talaga siya. But like I said, pag to all of those people out there na magpaplano magparenta ng bahay, don't take it so personal like me. Dahil talagang jackpot, talagang bonus, talagang unicorn na makahanap ng magrerenta sa'yo na aalagaan and maintain yung bahay mo katulad nung ginagawa mo. Almost impossible. Nangyayari sa akin ngayon, so I have to step up. Ayun, di ba? I can't wait to show you guys the before and after picture. Coming soon. This is great. You guys did. Oh, I like this. I haven't seen pavement in a long time here.
I'm gonna leave float away just so I can see what else is needing to be. Just float it into like right here. No, we float it. Okay, just float it into like right here so I can scoop it off and put it in the bag.
So Josh, really just the weeds here and it's perfect.
Alright, and then I'll just because there's so many weeds and stuff scattered around, I'll give it a quick cut.
What's that? Sorry?
I'll give it a quick cut just to get all this stuff chopped up too.
Honestly,
I'll go
brother,
around the edge if you want.
you know what? I'll tell you. Just do this for me, and then just edge it.
Edge it.
You don't even have to cut it, man. I'm so happy with this. I'm sending a progress report to my wife right now. She wants you to do the house.
The other one.
I'll send you pics of what needs to be done. It's
Perfect.
very, very minimal. It's super minimal. I just need some weeds. Like
Weeds,
tuck-
cold.
yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, clean this up for me. You don't even have to cut it, man.
Alright.
Just edge this so I can see the line,
Yeah.
you know, and just clean up the front a little bit more. I'm good with that. I mean, shit, you guys did a wonderful job with this. I like this.
That was all her.
Thank you. What's your name?
Alex.
Mark. Good to meet you, Alex. Thank you. This is a progress report that I gotta give to her.
Those stones were about to fall out too. I nailed them back in.
Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Ayun guys, so far so good. Yun ang ganang ng maganda yung progress report natin. So, he's almost done. Mga 75% na. Dahil tinatag team niya nung girlfriend niya, right? Ayun, no, tignan. Nagdala pa sila ng bag and they're gonna dispose it. And kita mo yung ginagawa ng bata doon no, sa gilid ng Mercedes on the by the park side. Pati yun no kinukuha niya. Hindi ko naman sinabi sa kanyang gawin yun pero he's doing it because he wants to do a good job for me. He wants to clean it up real nice. Kaya sabi ko, tuwan-tuwa ako, sabi ko sa kanya, gugupitin pa dapat niya yung damo eh. Okay? Sabi ko, wag mo nang gupitin, ayos na yan dahil tuwan-tuwa ako sa pagkalinis mo dun sa harapan. And I can't wait to see the final product. He's out to please. So you know what? I'm gonna give him a nice tip and I'm gonna ask him to do the other side too. And definitely, pagdating ng fall, siyang tatawagan ko. And I can't wait to show you guys the before and after pictures. Matutuwa kayo dahil ngayon tuwan-tuwa talaga ako. Ayun guys, o tignan nyo, binobunot to. Binobunot niya lahat ng weeds sa harapan ng bahay. Oh my God, that makes me so happy. Tuwang-tuwa ako dyan. Alam nyo yung mga tinawagan ko sa Facebook Marketplace. Alam ko kasi negosyo sila, right? Madaming pa-eche-eche. Sasabihin nila, oh, merong disposal fee, merong material fee, merong per hour fee, merong cleaning fee, merong aso fee, merong pusa fee, lahat ng fee meron. Pero eto no, kita mo siya tsaka yung girlfriend niya. Alam mo kung anong sabi niya sa akin? Ginagawa niya to tuwing summer daw. Dahil sabi ng magulang niya, kailangan daw siya kumita ng pera imbis na naglalaro na lang ng PlayStation sa loob ng bahay. And sabi niya sa akin, hey, you know what? I can work for somebody. I can work for Tim Hortons. I can work for Jollibee. I can work for Burger King or McDonald's. Tapos, babayaran nila ako ng $17.80 an hour. Okay? Or, magpo-post ako sa Facebook Marketplace. Tapos, mag-o-offer ako to clean up people's yards. Magtatrabaho ako siguro 2 oras and I can charge whatever I want. Way more than what McDonald's or Burger King or Tim Hortons will pay me. And totoo guys, mahirap na trabaho yan pero ang sipag na itong batang to. Nakakatuwa. Kita nyo kanina, gubat yan eh. As in gubat yan. Ngayon gumaganda na. Gumaganda na. Pati yung gilid. Noon dito yung gilid na yan, inaasikaso niya. Dapat di naman kasama yan, pero inaasikaso din niya. Tapos, yung bag siya pa nagdala. Alam niyo kung ano nakakatawa dito? And nakakatuwa, hindi nakakatawa. Ginagamit niya lahat ng gamit doon sa bahay nila. So, ayun. Sabi niya, oh, ito, nanay niya yata yan eh. Nanay niya. Kapitbahay namin. Yeah, that's his mom. So, yeah, that's a good kid. That's a very good kid. Nagdala ng may dinala yata na na tool. Ayun. Sige, malapit na siguro 75% done na yan. So, yan ang batang masipag. Isipin mo, Tsaka matalino. Dahil tama yung sabi niya. I can make, kung ano ibabayad sa akin ng Tim Hortons na trabaho sa buong araw, mas madami yung kikitahin ko doon, magtatrabaho lang ako ng 2 or 3 hours. Dahil negosyo ko to. Yun ang magandang bata. Sana yung mga anak namin ganun din eh. But yeah, they're getting there. So I'm very happy about this. And as soon as they're done, papakita ko sa inyo or I will tell you exactly how much I got charged for this job. And I'll tell you what. It's not $475, it's not $450, it's not $350 like what the other Facebook companies or Facebook advertisements were charging me or quoted me. I'll tell you exactly how much. So maybe, kung meron kayong gustong pagawa and ayaw nyong gumawa ng sarili nyo, it's good to look sa Facebook Marketplace dahil maraming mga bata dyan naghahanap ng trabaho. Mga entrepreneur na mga bata katulad na itong dalawang to, di ba? Ayun guys, oh. Malapit na. Di ko naman sinabi sa kanya na gawin yun pero ginagawa niya. So, he's out to please. I'm really happy about that. Dahil usapan namin, yung garden lang doon sa harapan, dito. Yan, etong garden na yan, which he did, and look at that. Ang ganda na ng, hindi na mukhang gubat, right? So, siya yung gumagawa ng mga mahirap na gawin, tapos yung girlfriend niya yung naglilinis. And oh my God, that's such a world of a difference. Malapit na, siguro mga 85% complete na. So pinapaganda lang niya dahil sabi niya sa akin papagandahin daw niya. And all of that included sa one price. Then one price. Kaya lang umuulan as in umuulan na, buisit. Sana huminto tong ulan na to para maayos na. Di ba? Ito lang problema namin itong ulan na yan. Yan, it needs to stop para matapos na yung trabaho and magka-uwian na tayo and magkabayaran na. Diba? But soon, kahit ako nung dito kami nakatira, hindi ko nagawa yan sa bottom ng driveway namin. Ginagawa din niya. All included. So, we'll see. I will definitely hire this guy pagdating ng fall para mag-clean up ng mga leaves dahil ang dami naming puno dyan dito sa kabilang bahay. Punong, let me, yon. Giant tree sa harapan, giant tree on the sides, and then giant tree dun sa likuran, di ba? Every year, guys, I'm not gonna lie, okay? Nagbabayad ako close to $1,000 for fall cleanup para dito sa bahay namin to, tsaka dun sa tinitira namin. And I think that's a little too expensive, They do a good job. They do a wonderful job, but I think this young kid, deserves a shot. So we'll see. I haven't seen it this clean in years. Oh my God. It was a jungle. You guys did an awesome job. I love this. Thank you so much. Thank you. So nice now. Look at that. Yes. One happy customer. So Josh and Alex, Mark, thank you. Thank you so much. So this is the final product. Yes, sir. So as you can see, the garden is beautiful again. Edged it. Okay. There you go. It's nice and clean. Edged it all around here. There you go. There you go. Even cleaned the bottom of the driveway. Edge that. Nice. So nice. Oh my God. Thank you so much, guys. I mean,
the blowing job was a bit bad, but it's because the rain got it.
No, that's beautiful. You don't even understand how happy this makes me feel. I have not seen this in years. It's been so neglected. Now it's back to normal. All I need to do is put mulch on it and everything's perfect.
If you want, I can even do that for you.
You do that too?
I was gonna ask you if you wanted that.
Ayun guys, nandito na tayo sa bahay. Do you want to know kung magkano binayad ni Kuya Puto dun sa dalawang bata? Let's recap first. So, inasikaso nila yung gubat doon sa harapan ng bahay namin. Tapos, kinuha nila lahat ng mga tabas-tabas and they disposed of it. Binilang ko, I think it was like 9 or 10 big paper bags full of weeds, di ba? He trimmed around the bushes. Okay? Tapos, he edged the whole entire front of the house. Yeah. Sabi niya, gugupitin din niya yung damo. Sabi ko, wag na dahil umuulan, di ba? Ayoko sila magkasakit. So, as a favor, I told him, instead of cutting the grass, edge mo na lang, which he did. That's why now, kung titignan nyo yung finished product, it's like parang bagong barbero. It's nice and crisp, and it looks manicured. He even did work on the driveway, which I didn't ask him to do. Plus, he did work on the side of the house close to the park, which I did not ask him to do either. Plus, he also trimmed on both sides of the house leading to the backyard. I think tuwang-tuwa ako. Napakaganda ng pagkagawa nila. But my favorite out of everything, sa front entranceway namin, meron dun na patio stone area. Ang daming weeds that was growing in between the patio stone area. Halos di mo na nga makita yung patio stone eh. Alex, the girlfriend, I'm sorry, her name's Alex, not Sabrina. I thought it was Sabrina. Her name's Alex. She spent a good time, you know, trimming or getting rid of all of the weeds in between the patio stones. Looks beautiful now. So, kailangan ko lang gawin ngayon, babalik ako doon, lalagyan ko ng lason, sprayan ko ng lason yung the gaps between the patio stones para hindi umusubong ulit yung weed. And I'm gonna ask him to put some mulch doon sa newly beautified garden namin. So lahat yun, magkano? Magkano, Kuya Puto? I paid $115. That's how much Josh charged me. Pero binigyan ko sila ng $150 altogether. I gave them a $35 tip because they did such a wonderful job. So let me ask you guys, would you pay $115 sa lahat ng trabahong pinakita ko sa inyo na ginawa nila? I did, and guess what? I'm a happy guy. We're gonna do more business. This is Kuya Puto out.